Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your TransferWise or Wise account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect a debit card to your Wise account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link a debit card to your Wise account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your international contractors want you to pay them through Wise. And sometimes debit cards can go through a little quicker. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your TransferWise dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wise account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect a debit card, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see this menu off to the right and you want to scroll down until you see this one, payment methods. It looks like a little bank icon. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. You want to click on this first one, saved bank cards. Don't click on this one. This is to connect a bank account directly. Okay, so once you click there, these two options, send money or add money. So this really depends on why you're adding your debit card. If you're going to be paying someone, click right here. If you're simply adding money into your TransferWise account, you're going to click here, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the amount that you want to add or send. In order to add your debit card, it has to be a minimum of $3, at least at the time of the recording of this video. Okay, once you do that, you want to look for this line right here, paying with. Go ahead and change that by clicking on this green button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to choose this one right here, debit card. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and click on the green continue button. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and enter your debit card information, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code. If you're going to be using this debit card in the future, make sure this is checked on. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click on this green pay button. All right, quick second, let's see this confirmation. So I added $3 into my US dollar balance. So let me click on got it. Okay, now it brings me back here to the home screen. So I've already saved my debit card. So if you want to confirm that, you can click on your name here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and just scroll down to payment methods once again. All right, here we're going to click on saved bank cards. Okay, now you can see my debit card is added and saved into my TransferWise account. So now if I want to send money using my debit card, I don't need to re-enter it in. I'll just need to confirm I want to use that as a payment method. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add or use a debit card in your TransferWise account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.